morning. My name is Luz Marina Morales Aldaña, student of Public Accounting in the National Open and Distance University. Today I go to develop the word the task for. Effects of technology on the environment. Long time ago, observers had warned about the destructive aspect that affects the environment. Some of these negative effects are the massive destruction of jungles and forests, mineral waste used by industry in polluting rivers, lakes, seas, and groundwater reservoirs. An alternative to solve this problem is recycling solid materials. But technology not only negatively affects the environment, but can contribute to his environment, allows greater technical and scientific of the environment, and when used correctly, it can be a very important tool for conserving the environment. Technical advances are why here to fight against to life for poverty. The objective is almost wise to make developments for human beings. I mean, and improving their way of life, such as more improved in agriculture. New agricultural techniques can substantially improve the condition of poverty. They are main mediatal are resolving these situations. One of them is Will Frank, and as for mayors, the approach his sample. When a farmer sees something strange about his crops, he sends a message to the call Will Frank. He recommended to governments and United Nations take actions about substantial development, uses smart irrigation techniques, promoted the use of large generation agricultures, impose the provide more here to the first surface. Enable productive lines that are degraded or mistreated these must be a growing priority. Regards.